it's a vlog day today, and I'll be vlogging the entire day. It's a Sunday, so we have many things planned for today, so I thought I'll vlog. So as you all know, I'm doing a series on YouTube which is Bazaars of Ahmedabad, and we'll be going back to the same Ravivari market that I had posted on Instagram about. If you all are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I've left my Instagram handle in the description box below. The footage had got deleted. GoPro ka footage had got deleted because I had to format the card. So that's why we are going again. And once we go there, then we'll I want to go and go to Forever 21 also, because I'd seen a sale last week when I went, but then I had to take a video and it was getting dark. The sun was setting down. That's the reason I did not check out the sale. But now, yes, we'll go to Forever 21 also and check out the sale, and then we'll see what to do from there. So as of now, we leaving. I'll just show you all my OOTD. First, I'll show you all the accessories that I'm going to wear. Sitting and arguing for 20 minutes, and I've got this. So we have been exploring like anything, guys. I don't know if y'all can hear me. So we've been exploring like anything. So this is basically the market. I'll show you all the market. So guys, I got a trunk for myself. So I've got 2 trunks because I'll be sending it to Kerala. I'm going to Kerala, so I've got 2 trunks. पता नहीं इतनी आवाज़ है यहाँ पे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. So we've come at 1 o'clock. अभी 4 बज गए. बस यहीं पे आधी मार्केट ही हमने एक्सप्लोर किया. We have more to explore. Huge है मार्केट. तो कोई बात नहीं, अभी हम लोग चलेंगे. Then we'll go to Forever. सामने पता नहीं ये मार्केट में चल चल के कुछ तो ग्रीस लग गया मेरे यार.
कलर कौन सा है वो बता.
Now let's see. Let's just go ahead and see this chain also. I bought from the market. I got it for 20 rupees. 120 rupees. Sorry. तो फिर अभी चलो चलते हैं. Just came home, and oh my god, one, there was so much of traffic, and second, we thought like we'll eat outside, we'll eat somewhere and then we'll come home. But today is Valentine's Day, so each and every place was packed, and the ones where they were allowing, it was almost a waiting of 1.5 hours, and the other places were completely booked. So सवाल ही नहीं था कहीं रुकने का. So we just came back home. I'd made fish biryani day before yesterday, so I have the masala and fish and all. So I'll just quickly make something fish and rice. तो वो खा लेंगे हम लोग अभी. And So we had a Valentine's Day dinner yesterday, like yeah, Saturday we had gone out. So that time we had a Valentine's Day dinner. I'll just attach the video and pictures next isme. So yeah, we had it then. So I had won an LPD. I'll attach the video and the pictures next after this. So yeah, there was an incident that happened. I told you all that I'll tell you all once I get home. So I was shooting for this vlog. So you all had seen I'd worn shorts, yellow shorts and t-shirt. So we came wherever we parked. We just came there, and we were supposed to take like a gadi out, and then these people, there were a bunch of guys who were playing cricket. So we were just inspecting the vehicle, we were just inspecting the car if there's any scratch or something, because parking is not the place to play cricket, right? There, like, why are grounds being built? What are grounds for? I wonder. So anyways, they were playing in the parking. So we were just inspecting, and they started passing comments on we inspecting the car. They started passing comments on me. They started passing comments on the clothes that I wore. And it so Arish was like, I said just ignore, which was wrong on my part, right? I should not be saying that. But then after one point he could not take it, and he went and confronted them. So while we were confronting them, they all came together. As if they were, I don't know what, they all came together. And they had bats and all, like the cricket they play, they all came together. And then Arish was like, this is not the way you talk, you're passing comments and this and that. So I don't know, they apologized, or they're like, okay, sorry, and all stuff like that. So we came back, and that is the reason I didn't shoot the end of the video that I was telling you all. That's the reason I did not show the end of bazaars of Ahmedabad in that bazaar itself. I thought I'll shoot the ending there in the parking, but I could not shoot it there. So I came back, we came on the road, and that's where I shot it. So yeah, that incident happened. So, but yeah, it's okay. Not such things, like, I should not get up. I feel I should not be upset about that, and it's okay. Like, it just shows their mentality more than anything. It just shows how they look at women, or how they're taught, or how they're raised to look at women. So I didn't take, I seriously, we confronted them. I felt good. That's it. I just left it, because there's no point. I was saying the same thing. There's no point in wrestling with a pig, because the pig loves it, and you are the one who gets dirty. So yeah, so that was the only reason I didn't shoot that. But ठीक है, ऐसा होता रहता है. So yeah, I've come home now. So we'll quickly just make something. I'll show you what is there for dinner. So if you all don't want the fish smell to linger around the house, then put curry leaves and just put the lid. So guys, the fish is ready. Meanwhile, I'll just put my GoPro for transfer. So I'll transfer all the data that was taken today, so that it, and hopefully it doesn't happen like the last time. There are a few things, like 2 or 3 things that I want to show you all. What's that? Just that. No, I don't need that. So these things I got from Ravivari, and this is like the airport stuff, Lufthansa Airways. So it's like this, like you can keep your glass and you can keep all that stuff there. So this is one nice stuff that I got. So it was out, I showed you all. Baki everything I just kept inside. I washed clothes, what all I got from Forever and everything, and then I put it for drying. So now I'll transfer the data, and then we'll have biryani, mean biryani. having some strawberry and cream. So on that note, I'll end this video here. And yeah, on a sweet note, I'll end this video here. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe.